In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data and perform data backups in Zoho Books based on the full 2025 guide. So if you're using Zoho Books and want to ensure your data is safely exported and backed up, stick around as we walk through this process together. To begin, you'll want to open Zoho Books and navigate to the home page. Here, you'll find an overview of your business's financial health, which is a good starting point before diving into the specifics of exporting and backing up data. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to decide on which module you would like to export data from. This could be your transactions, invoices, quotes, or any other module that holds crucial information for your business operations. Make sure to carefully select the module that contains the data you wish to export. Next, you'll see options that may be highlighted. Go ahead and click on that highlighted section to proceed. This will lead you to a set of export options tailored specifically for the module that you've chosen. Once there, you'll want to click on the Export Quotes button. Depending on the module you selected earlier, this option might be replaced with other relevant terms, like export invoices or export data, as applicable. Just be sure you're choosing the correct export button for the data type you need. After selecting the export option, you're presented with several settings. These allow you to customize your export according to your specific requirements. For instance, you may need to select date ranges, file formats, or certain parameters that ensure only the necessary data is included in your export. Take your time to thoroughly review and select the settings that best suit your requirements. Once you've fine-tuned these settings, move ahead by clicking on the Export button. With your data export underway, let's now look at backing up your data. Go to the settings icon, typically found at the top or side of your dashboard, to access the settings menu. Once you're in settings, you'll need to locate the developer and data section. This is where most of your configuration and data management tools are found. Under developer and data, you'll want to select data administration, which is specifically focused on managing and backing up your data. Here, you'll see an option to back up your data. Click on that and you'll be prompted to select the type of file you want your backup to be in. Options might include different file formats, so pick the one that best fits your preferences or systems. The final step is just to confirm everything by selecting Continue to initiate the backup process. By following these instructions, you'll have successfully exported and backed up your data in Zoho Books, ensuring your crucial business information is safely secured and readily available whenever you might need it.